to add both of them? Yes, makes sense. Let's say that, let me give you example. If I give you a question, calculate pH of a strong acid having concentration 10 to the power minus 6, let's say 6. Okay. Now, one thing which you will do, okay, if you, first thing you will make mistake, and that mistake I'll tell you how will you do this question. You will say, sir, it's very easy. Sir has given a strong acid. I have given strong acids, let's say HA. Some acid is HA. Okay, it can be HCl, HBr, any acid. Okay, HI or something like that. Let's take it HA. HA is a general acid and it is a strong acid, so it will dissociate in completely H plus A minus. Now you will say, sir has told us, this is very simple, at T is equal to 0, the concentration was 10 to the power minus 6 molar. H plus and A minus were initially 0, 0. At T is equal to T1, it will become 0 and H plus will become 10 to the power minus 6. A minus will also become 10 to the power minus 6. And pH is equal to minus log H plus, which is 10 to the power minus 6. And this is the answer. You will think that, but this is false. You will think that, but this is false. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why is this a wrong answer? Come on. Yes? Because I have not taken water into consideration. Because I have not taken water into consideration. Okay. Water is also 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, that will also be taken into account. So let me write a note. Above is wrong way. Is a wrong way to calculate. H plus in strong acids, in strong electrolytes, which can be acids or bases. Above is a wrong way to calculate H plus in strong electrolyte because at concentration lower or equal to 10 to the power minus 6 molar, the H plus contribution due to water. The H plus contribution due to water is also taken. Please write it down along with the example. This is a good example to show the problem. Let me know when you have copied. We are going to do the correct solution. Just write it down. In ionic equilibrium, our main focus and our main aim, even in boards also, in the board exams, school exams, also in competitions, our main aim is calculation of pH. We need pH calculation. Okay. Now the pH can only be calculated if you know whether electrolyte is weak or strong. Okay. That will be told to you in one way or the other. As soon as you know it is a strong electrolyte, question becomes very easy for you. How? The concentration of H plus in acid or due to acid or due to any electrolyte is the actual concentration of the solution, is the actual pH of the solution basically. But the problem will start when a strong acid will have concentration of 10 to the power minus 6 or lower, because at such low concentrations, mind you, these are extremely low concentrations. At low concentrations, the H plus due to water will also become significant, and we will have to add that as well. Now I'll show you how to add that. Now we are going to write this equation. H2O gives H plus plus OH minus. This is the equilibrium equation because the water is in equilibrium with that science. And if you know that the Kw is known as the ionic product of water, is always 10 to the power minus 14. It's fixed. Kw is equal to H plus into OH minus. H plus into OH minus. What is Kw? Kw is known as ionic product. It is the ionic product. Now, what we are going to do with it? We are going to say that we will solve both these equations simultaneously. Which equations? Due to water and due to HCl. HCl gives H plus plus Cl minus. Since HCl is a strong acid, it will dissociate completely into 10 to the power minus 6 H plus. Water, on the other hand, is not at all a strong electrolyte and therefore shows a equilibrium sign in between. So let's say at T is equal to T1, the H plus concentration was C plus 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. While the concentration of OH minus was C. Let me write again for you for the sake of simplicity. Just a moment. Please focus on this equation, water equation. Please focus on this equation. Dissociation of water into H plus and OH minus. At T is equal to, let's take it 0. At T is equal to T0, the concentration of water always is 55.5. Okay, it is always a standard thing. of pure water, 55.5 minus C, and this C will also be the concentration of H plus due to water and of OH minus due to water. Now to this C, I will be adding this 10 to the power minus 6. So it will become C plus 10 to the power minus 6 in both the equations. Why? Because in the beaker, H plus is coming from two sources, that is HCl and H2O. So what is the equation we make? 10 to the power minus 6 plus C. Cl minus is also C. Okay. Now the product, the multiplication of it must be equal to Kw at all times. At all times. In specified temperature. At a particular temperature. Which is Kw is 10 to the power minus 14. Utkarsh, understanding it? I hope you are not sleeping there,
No,
both of
sir.
you. Okay, all right. Niranjan, are you also listening, child?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the way we calculate C, and then we'll put C back into it and calculate 10 to the power minus 6 plus C. This is the quadratic equation. Please tell me, can you solve this quadratic equation? 10 to the power minus 6 plus C into C is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. Or should I solve it for you?
We'll solve it, sir.
All right, we'll do. Please see. 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 6C plus C square is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. Now here at this point, we make a clever substitution in quadratic equation. And I say that let x is equal to 10 to the power minus 7i. Just like that. Okay, this is a mathematical tool basically. Nothing to do with chemistry. So let's put this substitution. According to this substitution, I'm sorry, C, I mean C, not X, but C. C is equal to 10 to the power minus I. So according to this, please check, the equation will become this. Now, dividing the whole equation by 10 to the power minus 14. So I'm making clever substitutions and cleverly solving this equation in order to solve it with simplicity. The answer would be 10i plus I square is equal to 1. Please check. Have I written it correctly? This is the quadratic equation which we have obtained. Now, please tell me, can you solve this quadratic equation now? I mean, this is easier quadratic equation. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do.
Should I tell the value?
Yeah, please.
The minus 5 plus or minus root of 26.
-1.
No, sir, minus 5 plus or minus root 26.
Is this whole value in negative? -5 plus minus?
Root 26.
Okay. This is okay. So we are going to only take the positive values, obviously. Okay, let me check it myself. So the answer would be, I mean, the general quadratic is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here I would be so it comes out to be minus 10 plus minus root 104 divided by 2. Yes? Is this coming?
Yes. So then even we can take 2 as common and then cancel it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes, we can do.
minus 5 plus or minus root 26.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, yeah, we'll have to. Okay, just can you calculate the actual value with the calculator? What is it coming in points? Let me do it for you. Root 26. Okay, it's 0.09, isn't it? The value is x is equal to 0.09.
Yes.
So it's almost 0.1. We can also treat it 0.1. Okay. So we have solved our answer, and our answer to the question is the h plus value was actually c plus 10 to the power minus 6. I mean x plus 10 to the minus 6. Let's check the variable. Was it x or c? Yes, c. Okay, it was c. 10 to the power minus 6 plus c. C is equal to minus 10 to the power minus 7i. So here I is equal to 0.1 or 0.09, while c is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 into I, which is equal to 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, and h plus is c plus 10 to the power minus 6, which is 0.1 10 to the power minus 7 plus 10 to the power minus 6. And this is what? Let's take 10 to the power minus 7 common. This is 0.1 plus 10. This is, the answer is 10.1 into 10 to the power minus 7, or 1.01 into 10 to the power minus 6. So there is a small contribution of H plus. Had we calculated 10 to the power minus 6, it would have been wrong. Utkarsh, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
The actual answer is this one, 1.01 into 10 to the power minus 6. But had we calculated the answer like this one, 10 to the power minus 6, it would have been wrong. It is not actually 10 to the power minus 6. It is 1.01 10 to the power minus 6. A little bit change is there, and the change is due to the concentration of H plus. Please copy this. So up till now we have discussed calculation of pH in strong acids. We have seen two things, that strong acids till their concentration is greater than 10 to the power minus 6. By greater I mean 10 to the power minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. These are all greater. If concentration is greater than 10 to the power minus 6, everything is absolutely fine. No need to take H plus due to water. But the problem immediately starts as and when you decrease the concentration of a strong electrolyte even further. Like you take 10 to the power minus 7, then the contribution of H plus has to be taken into it, because H plus is giving approximately 10 to the power minus 7 H plus ions. Let me know when you have written. Okay. Utkarsh.
Done, sir.
All right, child. Let's check if we have some questions on it. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's change the data a little bit. Okay, and let's see if you can solve this. Let's say I'm giving you a little variation of this question. Calculate the pH of HCl of concentration 10 to the power minus 7 molar. Please try it.
The 6.6, 8. No, 9.
So can you show your calculation? Should I open the annotation, or would you like to show on camera your calculations? I need to see your calculations.
So 1 second.
Uh-huh.
So 1. So I got like pH equal to minus of log into 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. And by doing that in the calculator, I got it as 6.69.
Okay. Okay. I think that the answer is about that only 6 point. You have got 6.69. Okay.
8 or 6.6.
6.6. Yeah. The answer is about that. Actually. It is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Yeah. Around about that log. Yes. Yes, it is correct. Would you like to show your calculation? Before that, Utkarsh, have you completed that? Have you got something? Oh, less than 1 minute is left. Please rejoin. We are about to get disconnected.
Okay, sir.
Please rejoin.